So a question posed by Samia Reza. Assalamu alaikum, sir. Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am very much tensed about my future and marriage. As my aunt is still unmarried, so I feel very much tension about my marriage. What can I do for this? As far as the question for marriage is concerned, our beloved Prophet Muhammad said that you have to look for 4 qualities in the spouse. Normally people look for 4 qualities in a spouse. One is wealth, the other is beauty, the third is nobility, and the last is virtue. And the best among this is virtue. So if you select your life partner as a virtuous life partner, that is the best. So my suggestion for you would be that you search for a virtuous life partner. I know finding a virtuous Muslim boy in this age is difficult, but you search and the best available, you marry. Don't, if you want all 4, it's not haram, but to have a person who's handsome and a person who's wealthy, a person who's noble and a person who's virtuous is extremely difficult. To get a virtuous person is difficult. So my request to you would be, you should compromise whether he's handsome or not, whether he's rich or not, whether he's coming from a noble family or not. Concentrate only on virtue, that he should be a good practicing Muslim. And when you mention Sahih Bukhari, oh young people who have the means to get married should get married. The more you delay, your options would become less, and it would be more difficult for you to find a virtuous person. If you're young, your options would be more, your choice would be better. So that's the reason, put a target, okay, I'll search for maximum 6 months or 1 year or whatever it is, make a target, then in that period, whatever best you find, the most virtuous amongst the one you have found, you should go ahead with it. Hope that answers the question.